Top 10 smallest jet airplanes. Number 10. Raytheon T-1 Jayhawk. The T-1 Jayhawk is a medium-range twin-engine jet aircraft used by the United States Air Force for advanced pilot training. The T-1 differs from its commercial counterpart Hawker 400 with structural enhancements that provide for a large number of landings per flight hour, increased bird strike resistance, and an additional fuselage fuel tank. The T-1 Jayhawk has a wingspan of 13.3 meters, a length of 14.8 meters, and a height of 4.2 meters. Number 9. Learjet 36A. The Learjet 36A is a multi-role business jet and military transport aircraft manufactured by Learjet. Its cabin can be arranged for 6 to 8 passengers. When used by the United States Air Force, it carries the designation C-21A. The Learjet 36A has a wingspan of 12.0 meters, a length of 14.8 meters, and a height of 3.7 meters. Number 8. Cessna Citation Mustang. Cessna Citation Mustang is a very light jet that was built by Cessna. The Mustang is a low-wing cantilever monoplane with a swept wing, T-tail, and retractable tricycle gear. It has 4 passenger seats in the aft cabin, a toilet, and seating for 2 in the cockpit. The Citation Mustang has a wingspan of 13.2 meters, a length of 12.4 meters, and a height of 4.1 meters. Number 7. Embraer Phenom 100. The Phenom 100 is a light business jet developed by Brazilian aircraft manufacturer Embraer. The project was announced in November 2005. The very light jet can transport 4 to 7 passengers and is powered by 2 rear-mounted Pratt & Whitney Canada PW600 turbofans. The Phenom 100 has a wingspan of 12.3 meters, a length of 12.8 meters, and a height of 4.3 meters. Number 6. HondaJet 420 HondaJet. The HondaJet is a light business jet produced by the Honda Aircraft Company of Greensboro, North Carolina, United States. The 7 to 8-seat aircraft has a composite fuselage and an aluminum wing, and is powered by 2 GE Honda HF-120 turbofans unusually mounted on pylons above the wing. The HondaJet has a wingspan of 12.1 meters, a length of 12.9 meters, and a height of 4.5 meters. Number 5. Stratos 714. The Stratos 714 is an American very light jet aircraft developed by Stratos Aircraft of Redmond, Oregon, predominantly made of carbon composite. The single turbofan aircraft can transport 3 to 5 passengers at maximum speed of 740 kilometers per hour, over up to 2,800 kilometers. The Stratos 714 has a wingspan of 12.3 meters, a length of 10.9 meters, and a height of 3.5 meters. Number 4. Eclipse 500. The Eclipse 500 is a small six-seat American business jet aircraft originally designed and manufactured by Eclipse Aviation. The Eclipse 500 became the first of a new class of very light jets when it was delivered in late 2006, and won the prestigious Collier Trophy in February of that year. The Eclipse 500 has a wingspan of 11.4 meters, a length of 10.1 meters, and a height of 3.4 meters. Number 3. Flaris LAR01. The Flaris LAR01 is a polished 5-seat very light jet developed by Metal Master. It is made largely of carbon fiber reinforced polymers and powered by a single turbojet engine. Unlike many jet-powered aircraft, it is claimed to be readily capable of being operable from unpaved runways and grass strips. The Flaris LAR01 has a wingspan of 8.7 meters, a length of 8.3 meters, and a height of 2.4 meters. Number 2. Cirrus Vision SF50. The Cirrus Vision SF50, also known as the Vision Jet, is a single-engine very light jet designed and produced by Cirrus Aircraft of Duluth, Minnesota, United States. Powered by a Williams FJ33 turbofan, the all-carbon fiber, low-wing, 7-seat Vision SF50 is pressurized, cruises at 560 km per hour, and has a range of over 2,200 km. For emergency use, it has a whole aircraft ballistic parachute system. The Vision SF50 has a wingspan of 11.8 meters, a length of 9.4 meters, and a height of 3.3 meters. Number 1. Bede FLS Microjet BD-5J. The BD-5 Micro is a series of small single-seat home-built aircraft created in the late 1960s by U.S. aircraft designer Jim Bede. The BD-5 has a small streamlined fuselage holding its semi-reclined pilot under a large canopy, with the engine installed to the rear of the cockpit. The BD-5J version holds the record for the world's smallest jet aircraft, weighing only 162.7 kilograms. The FLS Microjet has a wingspan of 6.5 meters, a length of 4.1 meters, and a height of 1.8 meters. Bonus: Sonex SubSonex JSX2. The SubSonex JSX2 is an experimental single-seat amateur-built jet aircraft built by Sonex aircraft manufacturer located in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, United States. The JSX2 has emergency ballistic reserve parachute, and the aircraft itself often referred to in the industry as a microjet. The SubSonex has a wingspan of 5.5 meters, a length of 5.0 meters, and a height of 1.7 meters.